Whenever we speak of conservation of biodiversity, one question that arises in mind is, why should we conserve biodiversity? As humans, we have always been very selfish and greedy. So we can give this answer for why should we conserve biodiversity in various ways. Broadly classified are three ways: narrow utilitarian, broad utilitarian and ethical. Now when I say narrow utilitarian, biodiversity, when I say, it could be a forest we are saving, it could be an ocean we are saving, it could be a fresh water, it could be a grassland, various things we are saving. So from every bit we can be extracting something or the other. A forest could be giving us timber, it could be giving us latex for rubber, it could give us medicinal plants, it could give us fruits. Many things we could extract from forest. Similarly, if I am going to speak about one vegetation, I would start getting cereal crops from there, pulses from there, various things I would get. If I think of oceans, fishes are there, crabs are there, prawn is there, oyster is there, all the things which is of our requirement. This narrow type of thinking that only I and I factor is there, this is called as narrow utilitarian. Nevertheless, because of this, at least we need to save the nature. Second thing is broad utilitarian, broader spectrum. Can we think that the forest is home for lots of animals and birds and plants? These are all there. It is giving us oxygen, not only us, everything, everywhere it is giving oxygen, it is purifying the air. It is stopping soil erosion. Like this, if I start telling the importance of a forest, it would be like never ending kind, right? Stopping of soil erosion, home for so many plants and animals and birds, it is giving oxygen, it is purifying the air, so many. Then say, even if I speak of oceans, even oceans are dying out today. Truly speaking, the quality of water has been reducing, it has been getting polluted. So what happens, lot of aquatic animals are dying out. So what the home for aquatic animal is water, so we need to save it. Okay, all this is fine, but one of the best things what we can admire of our ancestors is the fear factor of God or a devil. So ethical factor has always come in. If there is two branches of two trees like going around, they have told this must be a snake god, do not cut this tree. There might have been a hollow shape in a tree and they might have told that this is a home for certain devil, do not go near it. But whatever it is, it could be a fear or faith. There has always been an ethical issue which has been raised by the ancestors to inbuild the whole point of view of conserving biodiversity. So intrinsic value, spiritual, philosophical, psychological, many types of thought process could be associated here to improvise the conservation of biodiversity.